Okay, we're going to be looking at, if we wanted to weigh something, we might use the words grams or kilograms. Or if it was very heavy, we might use the word ton, T-O-N-N-E, which is, you're probably looking at an elephant or a rhinoceros, or your car. We're looking at probably 2 ton, or somewhere around there. Most things, little light things, such as a pencil, we would probably use grams. Okay, probably grams would be using for this. A kilogram might be a Chromebook, or maybe around about a kilogram, and you need 1,000 grams to make 1 kilogram. Often we use the words mass and weight. Okay, so obviously when you get up to senior school, you want to be using the right words, mass and weight. So mass is how much matter is in an object. So how much mass an object actually holds or contains. Whilst weight is the force put on a mass by gravity. So gravity is always pulling things down towards the center of Earth. Okay, so mass, how much matter an object contains, and weight is the force put on mass by gravity. So it's going to pull it down. Mass it's constant. Okay, so let's say, for example, somebody on Earth weighed 40 kilograms or 42 kilograms. 42 kilograms on Earth. Now their mass has not changed. On the moon, their mass has not changed, but their weight would. Okay, their weight on the moon would be 1/6 of that. So 42 divided by 6 would be 7. Okay, so if there's not as much gravity on the moon. So for example, if you were on the moon, if you weighed yourself on Earth, put yourself on the scale, it'll come up with something. When you go to the moon, you'd be 1/6 of that. So if someone weighed, let's say 600 kilograms, or an animal, 600 kilograms on Earth, if they went to the moon, they would be 100 kilograms. But their mass, which is how much matter an object contains, it hasn't changed. It's still the same amount of mass. So that's something you just want to be aware of. So here's an example. Let's turn this scale on. Now this scale only goes up to 200 grams. So I've got a pencil here. And again, if you measured and weighed in all different pencils, someone might have used rubber more than someone else. Someone might have used or sharpened their pencil a lot. So the pencils could vary. So if I would say maybe 8 grams, I'm estimating. Let's have a look. Not even close. 5.3 grams. 5.3 grams for that one. What about one of these purple pens? Maybe it feels a little bit heavier. Maybe about 8 grams. 8.3. Pretty good guess. 8.3 grams. A ruler. Oh, maybe lighter. I'd say 7.5. 7.5 grams. I was well off. 28.9 grams. I'm going to double check that just to check. Pick it up. No, it's 28.9. Well, that surprised me. Well, maybe it is a bit lighter, come to think of it. What about one tissue? One tissue. Not very heavy at all. I guess it's like a feather. Maybe 1 gram if I'm lucky. Let's have a look. It's exactly 1.0 grams. That's 1 gram. What about 2 tissues? Surely that'd be 2. Well, it's close. It says 1.9. Now it's got to 2. So 2 grams. That means each one is 1 gram. Wonder what would happen if I put water and soaked it and put it onto the. Would it be heavier? Yeah, I think so. What else can I put on there? What about a pencil, a pen, and a ruler. Can't remember what they each weighed, but I think it was around about 20, 29, plus about a 5 and a 7 maybe. 29, 7, I don't know, maybe 40 or so. Roughly 40. 42.6 grams. Now, I'd need a lot more to get up to 1 kilogram. But 1 kilogram is, like I said, it's probably a little bit lighter than 1 computer. All right, so that is, we're dealing with grams and kilograms and tons when we're talking about really heavy things.